Welcome back to Cooking with Chef Tuan, and today we have the banh mi with Vietnamese cold cuts, pate, fresh vegetables, pickles, and jalapenos. Man, this is gonna be great. With fresh Vietnamese baguettes coming out of the oven, I have a link in the description box below for this recipe on a previous video. You guys have to try this. This bread is amazing. And some of the Vietnamese charcuterie that I like is like this pork loaf that is deep fried and is studded with black peppercorns. Then we also have another pork loaf studded with head cheese and black peppercorns. And here is a rich and creamy chicken liver pate with butter. Then we have pickled carrots and daikon, fresh jalapenos, cucumber, cilantro, and oh, the bread. The amazing bread. One of the best qualities about a Vietnamese baguette is its light and crispy exterior. Just listen to this thing. Oh man. And also has a really light and fluffy interior, unlike a traditional French baguette, which is a little bit more dense. For me, I love pate. Usually I put it on both sides, but tonight I think I'm just gonna take it a little easy. With this sandwich, you can put inside anything you want. You can go vegetarian, you can go straight vegan if you wanted to. The world is your sandwich. Build it how you want. Man, look at this thing. It is a work of art. One of the most beautiful sandwiches in the world. Look at this. I am drooling. The pate, the charcuterie, the pickles, the cucumber, the jalapenos. I'm just gonna go on and dig right on in. The crunch, this sandwich brings me so much joy and happiness. A lot of good memories from this sandwich. From my mom and my grandmother making this for me when I was a kid. It's just an incredible sandwich. If you guys have never had one, you guys definitely need to go out there and get one yourself. Pretty soon in the future, I will be making some videos about the Vietnamese charcuterie, both kinds of the pork loaves as well as the chicken liver pate. You guys don't know how happy I am right now. You have no idea. This is one of the greatest sandwiches. I don't think I could ever get tired of eating this. Oh my gosh. Thank you for watching. I really enjoy making all this content for you guys. Please like and subscribe and leave comments down below on what you like to see and how I'm doing. Thanks so much. Peace.